Hello everyone, my name is Laura and I'll just give you basic tips and tricks and bits and bobs for learning languages, and they're all mostly solely in my experience and stuff that I do when I decide to start and learn a new language. Of course, you can, and this is totally if you're learning the language yourself from YouTube or from having the power of internet. So what I start with is, of course, YouTube and channels like with my Swedish. It's a Swedish podcast 101 or Swedish for beginners. There is one for pretty much every language, or at least every European language or every major language, because they are minorities in languages that are a little bit more harder to make such vast videos about. So start there. There they teach you stuff like how to say hi, zdravej, how to say bye, how to say nice to meet you and stuff. So that's the very basic one. Rewatch them, but they are just the very, very ground level, even not ground level. They are just digging the hole before actually putting the columns inside and in the ground. And after you have that, you can something that really helped me. I was looking for podcasts in the language. In my case, I was looking for podcasts in Swedish, and I came across Swedish Coffee Break. Shout out to Mark. I'm not sponsored by any of those. I just wanted to say they are all stuff that have helped me throughout my journey with learning anything in any language, but they are actually helpful. And then try looking get some basic vocabulary with channels like mine, with channels like, or with videos like the first 100 words in a language, or the most common words or most common sentences in a language. Some of those are a little bit off because they get some random words that you would probably never find and see and meet until you actually are way into the language and way into the country and stuff, but they are helpful. And the last thing is media, but like movies, TV series, songs. Songs are very, very important because when you're singing a word, your pronunciation is insignificant, or you barely have any accent when you're singing a song. If I sing let it go, can't hold me back anymore. Maybe someone would say can't hold me instead of can't hold me. So this is what I'm trying to say, that it's easier when you are listening to a song, when you try to learn it, when you try to sing it, when you literally translate the lyrics and put the two lyrics next to each other so you can see what it means, and then you remember it that way. It would help you. And I will look for Bulgarian songs to recommend for you, and from then on I probably will actually get a course. I don't know if you probably can just go into the country and start speaking the language with that level, like when you have watched a lot of movies and when you have learned the grammar, some vocabulary and some pronunciation. You can go and start talking. Just probably, at least with the Swedes, they'll just switch to English if you come to Bulgaria and start speaking in Bulgarian, many people here don't really know English, so they will try to understand you and maybe not at all switch to English, because I'm not sure, maybe like 20-30% of Bulgarians know English, maybe 40. I haven't checked. Let me check. Very, very sadly, Google said that only 25% of Bulgarians. So it says the study found that around 25% of the Bulgarian population reported as having workable English. So that doesn't really mean even that they speak it well, it's workable. They can probably ask for food and drink so they don't die. Oh no. Yeah. It's just so easy to learn a different language. I guess people don't just want to learn them. Anyway, I am talking gibberish. I will let you enjoy my channel and all of the things I would produce and I am producing for you. And thank you for watching. Just random tips and tricks. I would throw any in the videos while I'm doing verbs in Bulgarian or in Swedish. But yeah, just thank you. Subs and likes. I mean, that's not likes. Likes and subs. See you in the next one.